Let's be honest, Ankara used to be that fabric people wore to parties, church, or something our aunties would rock with a giant gel on Sunday. It wasn't always seen as workwear worthy, not elegant enough, not serious enough, just too loud. But look at us now. Ankara is evolving. It's walking into offices, boardrooms, and big girl meetings with its head high and heels higher. This collection is proof. 50 stunning Ankara office outfits, structured, stylish, clean, all carefully designed to mix tradition with power. Because that's the sweet spot, right? You want to feel like a boss, but still carry that feminine African glow. Look at the tailoring on this one. It says, "I'm booked for 3 meetings, but I still have time for lunch with myself." The colors, the fit, the energy, it's giving I didn't come to play, but I look good while working. I love how Ankara doesn't try to blend in. It shows up and takes space. Whether it's a bold sleeve, a cinched waist, or a soft peplum, it brings that spice we didn't even know was missing from workwear. You know, there was a time when women had to tone down who they were to be seen as professional. But now we're rewriting that. Now elegance can have prints, power can have color, sophistication can look like us. Ankara is now being seen on global runways, in luxury editorials, and even in corporate spaces, all because we decided to style it, own it, and elevate it. So if you're building your dream wardrobe, these outfits are your sign. You don't have to wear dull to be taken seriously. You can look vibrant, confident, and still be the smartest in the room. Which of these looks was your favorite? Let me know, and don't forget, style is expression, and Ankara is your voice. Loud, proud, and oh so beautiful. Soft glam, bold prints, big goals. That's the combo. And if you're feeling inspired, go ahead and share this video with someone who needs a little wardrobe upgrade or a little confidence boost. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with your fave look, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. This space is for women who want to look good, feel powerful, and dress like they mean it. We don't just wear Ankara, we make it a whole statement. So, until next time, keep showing up, keep standing tall, and keep slaying effortlessly.